Ever wonder where the bin store gets all their great products? Our merchandise is mostly brand new and overstock items. Well, it's kind of like this.
Turbo Man? Oh wow, Jen will love this. Honey, I got you the most amazing gift for Christmas. Look at this.
It's a Turbo Man.
Dummy.
Can you return it?
It is too much trouble to restock and discount items, so they pack up all their returns in one big mystery box and sell them as a liquidation pallet. Next, they get put on a truck and on the way to the bin store. When we open a pallet, the treasure hunt begins. We never know what we'll find in these giant boxes. Hey, y'all found a Turbo Man!
What do you want me to do with it?
Put it in the bin, dummy. Dummy. Every Thursday, we clean out the bins and donate whatever is left.
Turbo Man, I love it so much.
And that, boys and girls, is how the bin store gets its treasures for you to find. Hey y'all, don't forget, like and subscribe. TV timeout. Do you want me to look at the camera?
Yeah, be great.
Okay.
All right, who are you? What are we doing here? No. Go.
Let's start over.
It's ready. It's going. He edited. He's just doing this to make me do more work and edit.
It's a Turbo Man. What am I supposed to... I don't want this. Can you just return it?
Did you just fart?
No, it was the box.
It's a Turbo Man. Return it.
Okay. No. What am I gonna do with this?
Well, play with it.
Let me try that again.
Dummy. All right. Okay. Is he old? Is this an old toy?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
How did you find it? He's... Are you ready?
Yeah, come.
Hey guys, I found a genuine Turbo Man here in our pallets at the bin store. You never know what you're gonna find.